typically use water or dry chemical agents, like monoammonium phosphate, to cool the burning material and suppress the flames. Click on the next button to proceed. Click on the exit button to proceed to You are now going to experience a fire incident caused by a worker's indiscipline and unsafe behavior. Oh no, a fire has broken out. Let's learn how to respond using the correct fire extinguisher. Select the correct option based on the current scenario. Correct answer is Class A, for ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, and leaves. Grab the fire extinguisher. Remove the pin from the fire extinguisher. Grab the nozzle pipe from fire extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Place the nozzle pipe back on fire extinguisher. Place fire extinguisher back on the highlighted area. Great work! You have successfully prevented us from the fire. Now let's move to the next scenario.